All right, our first experiment today is going to be a Tannerite Roman candle. First thing you need, good solid cardboard tube. You don't want to use steel because if your Tannerite blows up the steel, you don't want to deal with that coming at you. So we're using cardboard, good steady cardboard. Tannerite, we've taken our 1/4 pound Tannerite and divided it into sections and filled up a medicine bottle. You get about the same detonation, but you get 2 instead of 1. That goes into your Roman candle first. Then you load it up with the balls, plastic balls that you can find. Multiple colors, just like a Roman candle. Purple, that's going to be beautiful. Yellow, very visible. Blue. Next time we do this, we're going to use somebody that's played baseball before and can catch. And there's a green one right there. Got that one. And last but not least, we're going to put our superhero Ken in here. He's lost without his girlfriend. He's got his arms raised up. We're going to see how high he can get in the sky. Take a good look around. See if he can find Barbie. Good luck there, buddy. Hope you survive the trip. And there you got your Roman candle Tannerite. Let's set it off. Well, he didn't go that far, but we managed to undress him. Something's wrong with your bathing suit, buddy. Let's fix that. You got a bathing skirt now. Well, as you can see, a Roman candle didn't candle very well. Rear end blew out of it, which we suspected was going to happen because we did not reinforce it. All right, here we go. It fell. I don't think he wants to do this test. It's all right, you'll be fine. All right. What do you think about that one? Ken didn't survive the experimentation, so Barbie, you're just gonna have to start looking elsewhere for a man. Ken has seen better days. Somewhere we've got some more body pieces of him that I'm sure somebody right now is loading up with some Tannerite, maybe to blow his head up. Who knows? We'll find out. Let's check. All right, explain what you did there.
Tannerite head. Surely he'll fly this time, right? We'll see.
He's gonna get a case of the big head, that's for sure. Near miss. Caught him on the jaw line. Booyah! What part is it?
Oh, it's the back of his head. It's the back of his head.
Yep.
It got blown.
Let's see his jaw line for the camera.
No.
His whole bottom lip. Found an ear. So far we have a jaw line, a neckline, and an ear. Couple bionic parts and we can repair this guy.
We have the technology.
Yeah, we can make him better. We can make him faster.
Oh, here's some hair.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hair.
Yeah, hair. It was right here.
Nothing up there. Some of it probably went over this dirt. Hey Jake, what you doing, buddy? A Jeep, a drone, and an old man. We'll be seeing you next time.